In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can shoot beautiful portraits with just a single Speedlight. Hi guys, my name is Eustace, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. Let's do this. So the first thing that you need the light. And the light that we are going to use in this session, we are going to use the Speedlight. And the Speedlight that I will recommend, or the Speedlight that I use, is the Godox V860. And the reason why I recommend the Speedlight, it's not expensive, it's battery powered. Okay, or the Speedlights are battery powered. It comes with the battery and the charger. If your battery dies, just take it out, you charge it. When it's full, you put it back, and then you continue with your life. So no need to be buying batteries every time. So the next item that you need for this setup to work, you need the S bracket. So you open it like this, you get your Speedlight, and then you put it here, and then you lock it like so. It's not going to go anywhere. If you're planning on putting any modifier to this, like if you're planning to put the softbox, you're supposed to put the softbox here. If you have an umbrella or you want to use an umbrella, you're going to put your umbrella there. So I'll put the links to the gear that I'm talking about in the description if you want to check them out. So the next thing that you need a stand. So you need a stand that's going to hold your S bracket, and you can use this normal stand to put it like that, and then you lock it like that. So this is a setup. But in the behind the scene that I'm going to show you, I use the C stand. I'll put the link to the C stand in the description below. The next thing that you need is a modifier. So you can use the softbox, you can use the umbrella, you can use the 7-inch standard reflector. So the next item that you need a trigger. So I have these two triggers. This is the Godox X1, and then this is the Godox X Pro. Trigger that I find myself using most of the time is this one. And I think the reason why I find myself using this trigger most of the time is because of the screen. It's bigger than this one. And if I'm using multiple lights, if I want to change the settings for each light, I'll just use these buttons here. Compared to this one, I'm supposed to go in mode, channels, and then I start changing all those things. But with this one, it has a lot of buttons I can play with compared to this one. You're going to put this on top of your camera like that, and then it's going to trigger your flash like that. So you can shoot with any camera, but if you're interested in the camera that I'm using, I'm shooting with the Sony a7 III and the 85mm G Master. And for my lighting, I'm using a Speedlight in a 34-inch softbox on a C stand. And the reason why I'm using a C stand is because of the boom arm that I have attached to the C stand. I want the light to be as closer as possible to my subject. At the same time, I want the stand to be out of the picture. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to expose for the background. I'm going to set my shutter speed at 1/800, my ISO at 100, my aperture at f1.4. Then I'm going to take a photo with these settings. So this is how I want my background to be. The next thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the flash. I'm going to start at the lowest power output. I'm going to set my flash power output at 1/32, and then I'm going to take a photo. I'll keep adding more power until I get the perfect exposure for my flash. I'm going to go at 1/4, and then okay. Yeah, so this is my sweet spot. I think I can work with this. Let me just do a full body. Okay. I love this. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. I need to portrait the short something. Okay. Okay. Give me that. Perfect. Nice.
I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for all you. You know it's what you say and what
Shooting
you
from a
do.
different angle.
I got you inside my head, and you never come
Nice.
down. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
Yeah, you can even do that. Okay, nice. Okay.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You're all I'll ever need.
Just do this one.
I want you to stay with me.
Shoot it from here.
When you're with me, I can't breathe. You're all I'll ever need.
Shoot. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. And if you want to retouch fast and level up your retouching skills, you should check out my retouching actions pack. The link will be in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.